Whoa. We are last Thanksgiving as a family of 3.
Next Thanksgiving is gonna be 4. Me, you, and 2 more.
Guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Happy Thanksgiving! Yeah, we're doing a Thanksgiving dinner. We say hi, Ale. Say hi, babies.
Caesar salad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, baby, you rocking them. Ale? Whoa. So we're at Flanagan's.
Oh, we don't have plates.
We just ordered some food. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Alright, guys, so we just left and we didn't record anything
Like
from what
always.
you saw because our child is on another level.
Crazy.
It's craziness. She's like super hard to come out with. So Alejandra's like at a level where she understands things, but she doesn't understand them fully. So it's hard to like get her to like not scream or like stop crying or like. But yeah, that's why we didn't record shit. So we're going now to the new house to install some cameras. You know, doing things. This is gonna be our last Thanksgiving as a family of 3.
Next Thanksgiving is gonna be 4. Me, you, and 2 more.
We're gonna have our little babies here with us next Thanksgiving. So yeah, wanna see the difference like next year? I was vlogging with 2 kids. Oh my god, it's so hard.
It's gonna be insane, folks. Insane.
Yeah.
What about him? Yeah, normal.
Look at her. She takes off the top straps no matter how tight we put them. No matter how, she always manages to take out the top ones, and she starts peeking like that, and then she starts crying because she wants to look forward, but she's not old enough. Oh my god, it's a whole deal, guys. All right, so the last clip you saw was Thanksgiving Day. We didn't even record Thanksgiving because we're so bad at vlogging and we're so busy that we don't even like, it's so hard. Okay, look, so we obviously had Thanksgiving. This could be our last Thanksgiving as a family of 3. So we just like enjoyed ourselves, had time with Alejandra, our family, and we ate dinner. We had some fun. I want to start some pictures so you guys could kind of get an idea of what we actually did because I didn't vlog for shit. Freaking like, I don't even know. Thanksgiving was on Thursday. It's Sunday. We haven't even recorded anymore since Sunday, and I'm gonna show you guys why we haven't freaking recorded. I'm so mad that I don't record as much as I want to. Like, I have so many vlog ideas and I have to put them into one video because it's like a whole week of video, and I don't know, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Okay, so this whole house, like new house, renovating our house, is driving us insane. We're about to finish renovating. We should be moving this upcoming week, which is crazy. Like, I don't even want to talk about moving. We haven't even packed anything and we want to move this week. So this house that we're living in, obviously the owner, she needs to rent it for, like, you know, when we leave. So they're coming to see the house today on Sunday, which is today. And look, they're coming at 5 and it's 1. My house is a complete mess. I am a complete mess, and I'm gonna show you guys. You guys want the real deal. You guys want to see why I don't post, why I'm so busy. It's very hard to balance everything. So my house is a complete mess. I look like a bum. So when I show you guys a montage of picking up my house, do not judge my outfit. I'm wearing Alejandro's clothes. I'm wearing his Father's Day shirt with his shorts, and my house is a mess. So I'm gonna show you guys how terrifying my house is right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys picked up. It's messy, not that messy. That's Alejandra's mess, but you know, has a fix. Random medicine shit, random shopping, and Alejandra's toys mess. laundry that has been folded there for like a week. I still haven't put it back. Let's not even get started on this kitchen. And I already put the dishwasher last night. Look at all this mess. Inside that box are freaking bottles of Alejandra that I haven't washed. Mess. Wait for it. Look at this floor. Alejandra throwing everything that she eats. Okay, then we got bigger mess. We got more laundry that I have to fold. Alejandra's junk. And then boom, 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 boom. Laundry that I have to do. It's separated. It doesn't look separated, but it is. And more mess from Thanksgiving Day. Haven't done my bed in like, I don't know, 2 days. It's ridiculous. So there you go. This is my house right now. Alejandra's napping. She should be napping for like a few more, not a lot. So I gotta get my shit going. Alejandro's calling me. And yeah, you wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hi. Babe, look at this.
So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and start picking up, and then after I finish picking up, we gotta like shower and stuff because those people are gonna come see the house, and then we have to go to my dad's house. It's my brother's birthday today. They're doing like a little like dinner in his house. So yeah, that's our Sunday, and then tomorrow back to the grind, back to the whole shit. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to cleaning. I have no motivation to do it, but at the same time I do, because the house is such a mess that it makes me feel uncomfortable to be in here. So let's go ahead and get started. So room 1 picked up. Obviously I gotta come clean, but finito. Bathroom is all picked up. I gotta clean it, but it's picked up. But somebody's up. Hey, buenos días. Hi, ¿quién es esa?
Ay.
Ale. A ver, tira un beso. Tírale un beso. Así, ¡mua! Hi. Tírale un beso. Okay, so I picked up Alejandra's room yesterday. I just gotta clean it. I fixed like her whole closet. Ooh, light. I fixed her whole closet. Took out everything that doesn't fit her anymore because she's been growing out of things, and everything's picked up in this room. Hi, my love. Come on, meet Ale.
Me.
Bien. What? What? She's obsessed with saying hi to the camera. So yeah, this room is picked up, our room, the bathroom. So that means everything from the hallway this way is done. Now I just need from the hallway that way, which is insane, but we'll get it. It's only been 20 minutes. I got this shit. Alejandra in her little play yard back there while I couldn't, you know, go around the house and pick up the most I can before she starts screaming because she doesn't really like to be in there. So here we go. is like picked up, and I cleaned the bathroom. So now I'm gonna clean the floor. It's the last thing, and I'm done. You guys know we always end up here, so I can give you an update of why I didn't close out the vlog. It literally is the same thing every video. So the last clip you saw, it was me cleaning the house. I finished cleaning. They came to see the house, you know, the people that are trying to rent, and then we went to eat at my dad's house. I'll insert like a few pictures I took with like my dad and the baby and stuff. And yeah, so here are the pictures. And that's it. We ate dinner, cut a cake, you know, had a little bit of time there for his birthday. He turned 9. My brother's already 9, which is so crazy to me. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I'm gonna start recording today. We have like a couple things that I want to show you, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm up to date now. I promise I'm gonna be more consistent. We move, today's Wednesday, so we move like starting tomorrow, which we're gonna start moving. So I'm gonna record for you guys and try to edit one of these days so I could have vlogs up for you guys. But I'm doing better. I feel proud of myself. There's a second vlog going up in 1 week, which is pretty good for me. So yeah, that's that. I'll show you guys more stuff on my next vlog, so stay tuned. This is just like our last Thanksgiving as a family of 3, and a little like a cleaning motivation so you guys can pick up your house if it's dirty, because mine is already a mess again. It's been 3 days since I did that deep ass cleaning, so it took me like, I don't even know, like 2 hours to do all of that. And I didn't record like cleaning the bathrooms and stuff, because if not, you guys were gonna be here forever. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.